What is a convolutional neural network? A convolutional neural network, or CNN, is a powerful algorithm used for image and video recognition tasks. It mimics the human brain's visual cortex, enabling it to automatically learn and extract features from input data. CNNs consist of interconnected layers including convolutional, pooling, and fully connected layers. The convolutional layers apply filters to the input data, learning local patterns and features. These filters slide over the data, performing calculations to create feature maps. Pooling layers then downsample the feature maps, retaining important information while reducing the data's size. This helps capture relevant features at different scales, improving efficiency. The output from these layers is then flattened and passed to fully connected layers, which act like a traditional neural network. These layers learn high-level representations and make predictions based on the learned features. CNNs excel in image recognition because they automatically learn hierarchical representations. They capture both low-level features like edges and high-level features like objects. This ability to capture complex patterns makes them ideal for tasks such as image classification, object detection, and image segmentation. By harnessing the power of convolutional layers, CNNs have achieved remarkable success in computer vision applications. Their ability to understand and analyze images has opened new possibilities for visual data analysis. For any other explanations of AI terminology, please hop over to Ai-Epicentre.com.